Now we are discussing the RR rotation. RR rotation is the rotation whenever the inserted node is at the right subtree of node. Whenever we are inserting a element or the node at the right subtree into the AVL, and because of that the tree become disbalanced or unbalanced, then the rotation RR is applied to restore the balanced AVL tree. So here we are taking an example to make you understand. So let us suppose that we are having a tree here in which we are having certain nodes available: 34, 26, 44, then 40, and afterward we are having is 56. First of all, we have to find out whether this tree is AVL or not. We know that all the leaf nodes are having balancing factor which is 0. Now we are going to find out the balancing factor of 44. So here if we talk about 44, on the left hand side we are having one level, right hand side one level. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So here balancing factor is 0. Now we are finding the balancing factor of node 34. Here on the left hand side one level is there, on the right hand side 1 and 2. Two levels are there. So 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So these are the balancing factor of different nodes here. We know that the tree is the balanced AVL if the balancing factor is equal to 0, 1 or minus 1. So we are checking here. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and minus 1. All nodes are following the property. So this tree is the balanced AVL tree. Now we are going to insert a node. Let us suppose that we are inserting the node which is 65. So here we are inserting the node number 65. We know that 65 is having the greater value than 34, then greater than 44 and greater than 56. So here the node number 65 will be inserted. After every insertion we have to find out the balancing factor. We know that all the leaf nodes are having the 0 as the balancing factor. Now find the balancing factor of 56. Here on the left hand side we are having nothing, on the right hand side we are having one level. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now find the balancing factor of node number 44. On the left hand side we are having one level, on the right hand side we are having 1 and 2. So two levels are there on the right. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now we are going to find out the balancing factor of 34. So on the left hand side we are having only one level, on the right hand side we are having 1, 2 and 3. So 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So minus 2 is the balancing factor of node 34. Now we are going to check whether this tree is still balanced or not. We know that the balancing factor should be 0, 1 or minus 1. So 0, 0, 0, no problem. Minus 1, no problem. Minus 2, this is a problem. So this is the unbalanced AVL because it is not following the property of balancing factor. Now here we have to find out that which rotation should be applied. We know that we have to find out the inserted node which is 65. So 65 is there, and where the 65 is placed or inserted, it is at the right subtree of right subtree. So that means here the RR rotation should be applied. So we are applying the RR rotation now. So now we are having this tree where the rotation is applied, and we know that if we observe this tree, this is more inclined towards the right hand side. So on the right hand side tree is more inclined rather than left hand side, because here on the left side there is only one level, on the right hand side there are three levels. So here this tree will be rotated from right to left. I mean this direction we have to apply the rotation, and we are learning the shortcut here. The shortcut is that first of all we are going to take and combine the extreme two nodes combination. So here I am taking these two combinations together, and also this two extreme combination together. That means these two nodes will remain same. Now afterward I am going to break the middle node from there, and now is the time to create the new tree. So first of all, we know that this type of combination 34 and 26 I am going to create here. So these are the two nodes which I am creating. This is 34 and this one will be 26. So I am writing 34 and 26, they are together. Now I'm taking the extreme combination of 56 and 65 nodes here. So these are the two nodes which will be together, which is 56 and 65. So I am writing here 56 and 65 together. Now they are connected with the node which is 44. So here I am creating a node which is 44, which is connected to these nodes here. So this is the node 44. Now we have left with one node which is node 40. So here I am writing the node 40. Now here we have to apply the logic that where this 40 will come. We know that 40 is less than 44 but greater than 34. So here the 40 will be attached. So after the rotation we are getting this tree. Now we have to find out whether this tree is balanced or not. We know that all the leaves are having zero balancing factor. Now we are finding the balancing factor of node 34. Here on the left we are having 1, right we are having 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 is the balancing factor. Now find the balancing factor of node 56. On the left hand side there is nothing, on the right hand side there is one level. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now we are finding the balancing factor of 44. So here on the left hand side one level, two levels are there. On the right hand side one level and two level. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So all the balancing factor are there. Now we have to find out whether this balancing factor is following the criteria. So if we check that 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0. So these all balancing factor are following the criteria that balancing factor should be 0, 1 or minus 1. So this is again the balanced AVL tree. So this is how we can create the balanced AVL tree after the rotation, and this rotation is called RR rotation because the inserted node is at right subtree of right subtree. So here this one is the RR rotation.